Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. We are looking at the one-step looping pliers today. I have 3 different pairs of pliers on my desk, and each one makes a different size loop, but they all create loops in just one nice squeeze of the plier. They actually form the loop and trim the wire for you. So if we look down here at the actual sizes, the smallest is a 1.5 millimeter loop, and that works with this pair of pliers right here. And you can make loops with 18 gauge to 26 gauge half hard and dead soft wires. The next size is the 2.25 millimeter loop, and that corresponds to this yellow handled pair of pliers right here. And you can work with wires that are 18 to 24 gauge, again dead soft or half hard. And the largest is going to be the 3 millimeter loop, which is going to work with 18 to 24 gauge dead soft or half hard wires. Now I want to show you how to actually make a loop. So I'm going to take this pair right here, and if we actually look at the plier itself, it's really got a very interesting nose to it. So if I'm going to do some squeezing action here, just so you can kind of see what's happening before I put wire in there. And you see there's a little hole right here that you can feed your wire through. So I've got a piece of wire right here. I'm going to thread it through the middle of the plier. So between that pin and really these jaws right here, I'm just going to feed it all the way through and then come out the other side. So you can see what we've got. And now I am just holding onto the wire to make sure I have good control of it. Going to squeeze. And you can even bend back a little bit if you want. And you see it just trimmed my wire, so I have that little piece. And I have a loop. Now, a good thing to always do is just go ahead and straighten up your loop after you've made it, but that is a very nice little clean loop. And that's the 1.5 millimeter size. And I'm going to show you how to do it with a bead on here. So I've got a head pin. This is going to rest at the base of the head pin. I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm just going to feed that wire through the middle of the plier. So the wire is resting up right along this edge, holding the bead and holding the wire in place. I'm going to squeeze. You trim that wire, you see it's already cut, and remove it, and we have that nice loop. And you can go back with a pair of chain nose pliers if you want and just straighten it out a little bit. But it is a very nice loop, and it's all done for you with just one squeeze of the plier. You can find all 3 sizes of these one-step looping pliers at fusionbeads.com.